Here at Kohler, we try to reduce our impacts on the environment as much as possible. That's why we created our Waste Lab, where we come up with creative ways to save waste like dust, powder, and scraps from the landfill and turn it into something meaningful.
When we're developing a new product made from waste, we need to consider how much of each kind of waste is available at a certain location to make sure that we're developing products that can use waste efficiently so we don't use virgin materials to meet the demand.
For example, we recently launched the first Waste Lab product called the Crackle Collection in partnership with Ann Sachs. These tiles are handmade by Waste Lab artisans using waste products like clay cull, waste glaze, slag, and waste enamel. We know how much of these materials are wasted each year, and we develop our formulas to optimize the use of each of these materials.
But recently, we had a problem with our clay body cracking. We determined that we needed to control moisture, grain size, and tile pressing pressure to prevent the tile from cracking. We developed a series of 48 experiments to work through each of these different variables and develop a tile that would not crack.
But in order to do the experiments, we needed to calculate the amount of materials we needed, run each one through the experiment, and then calculate which idea was the most successful.
To create one ceramic tile made from materials headed to the landfill, we need a total of 1.2 kilograms of waste material. In each tile, we need 75% clay cull, 15% waste glaze, 2% slag, and 8% waste enamel.
Can you now figure out how much weight in grams of each waste stream we need to make one tile? Then we need to figure out how many tiles can be made from the amount of waste that's available to us. As you figure this out, remember to convert tons to pounds and pounds to kilograms.
The amount of waste that's available to use to make the tiles is 83 tons of clay cull, 5.3 tons of waste glaze, 1,700 pounds of slag, and 2,400 kilograms of waste enamel. Once we have all these numbers, we can see which material will run out first and how much of the other materials will be left over. As you can see, waste enamel will run out first after we've made 11,250 tiles. Knowing that, can you calculate how much of each waste stream we need to make that many tiles?
The math is in. Now we know what manufacturing has to do with math.